What's up, everybody? Here's a warning. There might be some swear words in this video because me and my sister went out to the train tracks today to film 2 Amtrak trains. We kind of were excited and very talkative, so sorry for a lot of talking in this video. Also, second of all, we had fun, and there was 2 Amtrak trains. I think it was 85, the second one, and the first one was 90, 28, or 9. I don't remember what it was exactly. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content. And like I said, a disclaimer is there was some swear words in this video. So please be warned. And this is just a disclaimer for younger viewers not to watch the second video. So anyways, like and subscribe for more content, and let's get started. Freight train.
I'm scared though.
It's okay, just stay back. It's an Amtrak, never mind, but it's still cool.
It was a 12-second video.
I'll send you my video. It's fine. It's fine, Kaylin. You're good. You're good. Alright, guys. That's it. First Amtrak video in a long time. Like and subscribe for more content. And I'm going to try to stay out here for the second one. So, that's it for this one. There, now. Come over here. Back up. Over here, over here, over here, over here. Thank you. It's okay, it's okay. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.